Hi there. Welcome to Bigin Explanatory Videos. I'm Nivek, a support specialist at Bigin. And today I'm here to introduce you to a powerful integration tool that takes your workflow to the next level. While Bigin already offers a range of built-in integration, there are times when you need more flexibility. Maybe you want to connect with third-party application, automate complex workflows, trigger action across multiple platforms. That's where Zoho Flow steps in. Zoho Flow is a powerful integration platform that allows you to automate for business of all sizes. Whether you're managing multiple teams or looking to scale efficiently, automation helps save time and resources. With an easy drag and drop interface, you can create custom workflows without any coding. You can just set triggers, action, and logic elements to streamline your entire process. And it connects teams across sales, support, HR, and finance, ensuring seamless data flow and eliminating silos. And getting started is very quick. You can choose 1,000 pre-built template from popular application and set your first workflow in minutes. Now, think of it as your personal automation assistant, much like Zapier, designed to seamlessly sync data and trigger action between different applications. With the free plan, you can set up to 5 automated flows, giving you a taste of what's possible. You might be wondering, why use Zoho Flow if Bigin already has native integrations? Well, let's take a Zoho Books as an example. The standard integration allows you to link customers, contacts, and products between Books and Bigin. But what if you want those invoices to automatically update your Bigin pipeline? That's something Zoho Flow can handle effortlessly. And the same goes for a Google integration. With the default sync, you can connect your contacts and calendar events. Zoho Flow enables task automation between Bigin and Google, something a built-in option do not support. Even with Zoho Desk, a support ticket is created and you need that information reflected in your pipeline. Zoho Flow can make it happen. It unlocks new trigger and automation possibilities beyond what native integration can offer, including deeper synchronization with tools like Zoho Campaign. So if you're looking for a way to break free integration limitation and truly automate your workflow, Zoho Flow is the perfect solution. And in my next video, I'll walk you through connection between Zoho Books and Bigin. So stay tuned and let's take your business automation to the next level. See you.